Spring is here and it's time to bring out the Z4. Last season when I brought the car out, I would get a flickering low oil pressure light on the first couple days that I had it. Once I changed the oil, it got better, but now I'm actually having the same issue here in year 2. This could either be a failing oil pump, worn out tolerances, or even just a bad pressure sensor. So in this video today, I'm going to replace that pressure sensor, hope for the best, we'll drive it around, and see if that fixes the problem. I ordered a Beck & Arnley unit. It's pretty cheap, got it off Rock Auto, decent quality. We'll go ahead and throw this one in, and then just for safe measure, we'll replace the oil as well as the filter. Now the oil pressure sensor is actually located on the back side of the oil filter housing, toward back over here. We're gonna have to take the intake off, a couple bits down there, and hopefully we can reach in and take that off. Now it's a little bit hard to see, but behind this emissions line here and these wires, you actually got your oil pressure sensor right down here. For demonstration purposes, I've removed this line here as well as the wiring for the temp sensor. Now you can really see a piece right down here. You're just going to have a disconnect here and then just have to take a wrench to the outside of that sensor. Here's the old one. Want to be quick to install the new one right away so we don't leak too much oil. So my car is really low, so I'm gonna suck the oil out Mercedes style. I'll pull it out of the dipstick and then we'll change the filter. That took way longer than I thought it would, but I got about 6.25 quarts out of it. So I think I've burned maybe a little bit of oil, but otherwise I sucked out everything. So at this point I've changed the oil pressure sensor. I put a new filter in it, sucked all the oil, and replaced it with full synthetic. So the next thing to do is test drive it and see how it behaves. Alright, so I put about 10 to 15 miles on the thing, beat on it pretty hard. I'm up to temperature, and I don't have any flickering oil pressure light. I think the problem has been solved. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. These videos do take a lot of time to make, so if you enjoy these videos, consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye.